Hello. So in our last session, we created this flyer to the stage. So we are going to continue in this session. So click on this big cycle and drag it to the extreme. So we'll adjust it. Right. Click on this and reduce it a little bit. Also this. Alright. Okay, I think we can work with this. We can also drag this. Alright then. So the next thing we do is click on the plus icon, click on shapes, and scroll down, select the color. Let's use a dull black. Alright, so reduce it, adjust the size of it, then take it to the side, then scroll up again, still on it, then reduce the opacity. We want it to be transparent. Then once we're done, you can increase this a little bit again, then click on the check icon to apply the effect. Then let's stretch this a little bit. I want it to, okay. Alright, so once we've done this, click on this big cycle, click on to front to bring it to the front. The next thing, we'll click on this icon, click on text, then click on the A so we can edit the text and apply some styling to the text. So click on edit. So we're going to write Awele first. Then what we need to do now, since we are still on the A tab, we're going to adjust the size of the text. Click on the check icon. We're going to change the font style of the text. So let's say we use this and click on OK. Then we need to change the color of the text. We click on color, we click on white to bring it over to this place. We'll click on the check to apply the effect. The next thing we'll do is we'll scroll to the left, then click on copy and click on edit and click right here. Then we'll go back to the font to change the style. So we're going to be changing the font style to this. Then we're going to be changing the color also. Change the color to this. Then we'll drag it to the top. I think that's fine. And the next thing we'll do is to click on the plus icon, click on shapes, still on shapes. Then let's stretch this a little bit and adjust it like this. Then okay, we are on the shapes already, just adjust it, scroll down, then apply a color, dull black, not a shiny black. So bring it to this extreme. Okay, click on the check icon to apply, click on this big cycle and click on the P tab, click on to front. So that brings the cycle to the front. Then we click on this text, then we'll click on the A to edit the text, then we'll copy the text also and we'll click on edit. Then we'll type, capitalize it, open hours. So we slide, adjust the size of the text. Okay, then we'll change the color of the text to this color. We'll click on check to apply, then we'll drag. In case you make any mistake, then you click on this icon to take it to the back. So we are going to move this text now. I tried to move it with by dragging, and it rotated. So I'm going to click on position. Alright, so we can use that to move it. So we want to move it very fast. So we'll just increase the move by pixel. So we'll just click here and we'll move it to your desired location. Alright, so reduce this now so that we can adjust it to fit in well. Okay, I think that's better. So the next thing we'll do is just click on this, click on copy, then we'll write some text in here. Open hours 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then we'll say Monday to Friday. Alright, so all we need to do is to adjust the size also. So we'll reduce the size of the text. Alright, then we'll click on the check, we'll move it to this place. Then click on this to since there's a mistake. Alright, then we'll click on it because we're going to be adjusting it also. We still need to reduce the size. So you can click on this minus to adjust the size, then click on the check, then we'll click on position to move it a little bit to the top and reduce this pixel and move it to the right a little bit. Okay, I think that's better. And we can also change this font. I think it's too bold. Let's change the font. So click on font. So just do whatever works for you and see. Okay, I think this is better and lighter also. Then the next thing we'll do, let's copy this. Click on copy and edit, delete this text. Then we'll type follow us. Click on OK. Then go to rotate. So we're going to rotate it this way. Then you can adjust the rotate with this plus and minus. Then click on the check. Then we're going to increase the size. Alright, so we'll drag this to the left side. Alright, then the next thing we do now is to add our social media icons. So click on the plus icon, click on from gallery. So I'm going to be adding these icons to Google Drive and the pictures I use, so that in case you want to use them also, you can have access to them for free. So if you like, you can adjust this, then crop the unnecessary parts and click on OK. Then you adjust this. Once you adjust, you bring it over. We're still going to arrange it properly later. Then we'll click on to add the remaining ones. So let's add the one for Facebook. You can adjust them also. And click OK. Adjust this. Alright, so bring it here, we can arrange it later. Then from gallery, we'll add the last one, which is the WhatsApp. Then you can just take out the necessary part, or you can leave it that way. It will still work. Alright, so let's start adjusting this. So once you click on the P tab, then you scroll to position and move it to the top a little bit. Then click on OK, click on relative size. So we move the Facebook and position it. Click on the WhatsApp, you can position and position it also. Alright. move the Facebook to the top. Then we need to increase the word surface kind of. So click on relative size and increase it. Alright, so the Facebook still position and move it. So let's reduce the. Alright, I think it's better this way. Let's take this, click on S as you're working with text, click on position and move it a little bit. Okay, and now to the top a little. Alright, so the next thing we do now is we just duplicate this and write your social media handle. So School Life, this is School Life tutorial. I'm just at School Life, right? So we just click on the size to reduce the size. Then click on the check icon, then we'll move it to the bottom here. Okay. So one more thing, let's bring this down because we're going to be adding something at the top there. Alright, so one more thing, click on the plus icon, click on shapes, then let's reduce this to this width. Then alright, so we're going to be moving this. Click on the check icon, then click on the P tab, click on position, and let's start moving. Let's increase it because it's kind of have a long way to go. So let's go on, then reduce the move by pixel, and let's try to place it in between these two. Alright, so let's move this up a little bit. I don't want to touch the followers text because we need to adjust a lot if we should touch it. Then we'll move this. Alright, so we can move this now. Then let's go ahead and add some width to this relative size. Then let's give it this width. Alright, I think this is okay. So I don't want the video to be that long, so we're going to be continuing our next class. Okay, so I will add the remaining features for this flyer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.